Imagine you are now in the state of full enlightenment. In this state, if you were to look around the room you're currently in, you would recognize all of the many things you see as being only one thing. You would still be able to make perceptual and conceptual distinctions. You could identify the couch, the pillow, the blanket, the table, the rug, and the shoe. However, none of those distinctions would turn the room or the world into more than one thing. All of the seemingly many things that have been distinguished perceptually and conceptually are still recognized as being only one thing. Furthermore, whatever you might take yourself to be, a body, a mind, a spirit, awareness, or whatever else, you would also recognize as being this one thing. Throughout all of your experience, there would be just one thing. It would be what you and all of the things around you are. In this way, there is no real realm of manyness anymore. What was previously experienced as a realm of manyness is now recognized as a realm of oneness. In full enlightenment, everything is recognized to be one thing, the one and only thing that is, the one thing that you and all things are.